Hello, my name is Paweł.
And my name is Mirek.
And together we are Team Atner. And I have one question for you. Have you ever wanted to build your own sensors or devices for Home Assistant? If so, you've probably
come across ESP Home, a great tool but one that many beginners struggle with. Not because of the hardware, but because of YAML and the lack of clear documentation. Many people quickly get discouraged and go back to searching the web and buying ready-made devices that still don't meet their individual needs. And even if you already have experience with ESP Home and know how to build your own devices, be honest, couldn't this process be easier? Absolutely yes. That's why ESP Home Studio was created, a visual environment that lets you build your first fully working device without writing YAML. It not only lowers the entry barrier and makes learning easier, but also organizes, streamlines and speeds up the workflow for more advanced users.
Wizard creates a full project in seconds, no code, no errors. ESP Home Studio installs Python, ESP Home, Platform I/O automatically. It shows pinouts, adds components, generates YAML, keeps your custom code safe with user code blocks, plus snippets, templates, multi-workspace, fast builds and much more. As a part of this project, we would also like to introduce ATB Thermo. Our custom mini development board designed for popular ESP8266 VEMOS VROOM02, that one board, with fully battery support. ATB Thermo features an OLED display, temperature, light, pressure and humidity sensors, system buzzer, battery monitor and intelligent peer module. It's ideal for testing ESP Home Studio and can also function as standalone weather station that integrates directly with Home Assistant. ATB Thermo set together with the VEMOS VROOM02 board and a few hardware hacks we've implemented is able to run for months for a single battery charge, thanks to deep sleep support and its intelligent peer system. We are still working on new videos, updates and final version of ATB Thermo, and we'd love your feedback. Check out the project page and download ESP Home Studio and try it out today.